In the volatile world of investing, where market ups and downs can make or break portfolios, a groundbreaking event is set to reveal hedge fund secrets that promise massive returns, no matter the economic climate. On October 29, 2025 at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, former hedge fund veteran Gabe Marshank will step into the spotlight for a live broadcast hosted by MarketWise. This isn't just another webinar, it's a Shark Tank-style pitch where Marshank will unveil a stock recommendation with potential 25 times upside, backed by his proven strategy targeting 300 to 500% gains on every position. Who is Gabe Marshank, the hedge fund secret weapon? Gabe Marshank isn't a household name, yet. For over 20 years he operated in the elite circles of Wall Street, managing hundreds of millions in capital and delivering nine-figure wins for billionaire investors. His resume reads like a who's who of finance. SAC Capital Advisors. Under Steve Cohen, the inspiration for TV's Billions, Marshank contributed to gains that helped Cohen acquire the New York Mets. Greenlight Capital, working with David Einhorn, famous for shorting Lehman Brothers before its collapse. Omega Advisors alongside Leon Cooperman, who built a $10 billion fund from humble beginnings. Marshank estimates his strategies have generated over $1 billion in market gains, including 2 trades that each surpassed $100 million. After stepping away from the high-stakes Wall Street life, which, by the way, involved global research in more than 20 countries and constant, round-the-clock monitoring, he joined MarketWise in a behind-the-scenes role. There, he quickly became known as the smartest guy in the room, leading training sessions and contributing to 18 triple-digit winners, with some peaking at 899%, 782%, and 555%, often in less than 2 years. Now, in what he calls his give-back phase, Marshank is focused on empowering everyday investors, rather than just adding more zeros to billionaires' fortunes. As he puts it, it's just not that satisfying to make another $10 million for a billionaire. It is really satisfying to help show how to make $10,000 for an average person. So, his approach? It's sector agnostic and market independent, starting by looking where 90% of investors simply aren't. This unconstrained method draws from decades of hedge fund scripts, all designed for multi-bagger gains in 3 to 5 years. So, let me walk you through what you can expect at the October 29th event. This is really shaping up to be an extraordinary opportunity for investors who want to be at the forefront of market innovation. This world premiere broadcast marks the launch of Marshank's new hedge fund-style model portfolio, the most elite and honestly the most expensive research from MarketWise. Attendees will get the 25 times stock pick. Marshank will actually name the stock and ticker live, explaining its massive upside potential in a technology that's, well, even more disruptive than AI. You'll also witness the panel grill, where, in an unscripted format, Marshank faces tough questions from a star-studded panel of investing legends. We're talking about Dr. David Eifrig, MarketWise CEO, a 50-year market veteran and former Goldman Sachs executive with gains like 1,200% on Microsoft. Then there's Whitney Tilson, the prophet who called major crashes and bought Apple at 35 cents, split-adjusted. Louis Navellier, known as the king of quants, with 171 gains of 1,000% or more, including early calls on Google and Nvidia. And Marc Chaikin, a 50-year quant genius who created NASDAQ indices and worked with Paul Tudor Jones and George Soros. So, yeah, it's gonna be quite the lineup. So, here's the thing. You're about to learn a strategy designed to target 300 to 500% upside in regular stocks with those rare, exciting chances at 100 times winners. This isn't just hype, it's actually backed by Marshank's proven track record of venture capital-like returns, where even small allocations can really drive massive portfolio growth. The event itself is totally free to attend, but, registration is required via email to get access. Honestly, registering is the only way to catch the live reveal and, well, a true one-time ground floor opportunity before this research moves up to premium pricing. And, by signing up, you unlock a private website packed with bonus resources to help you prep for the big day. You'll get a free report called How 25X Ideas Are Possible. If you know where to look, which details key edges over Wall Street and highlights the top trends. Plus, there's a daily video series hosted by Marc Chaikin, Director of Research at Stansberry Research, a MarketWise affiliate, where Marshank actually debunks 5 major market concerns that are confusing investors today. Let's take a closer look at Marshank's track record. He's delivered 18 triple-digit winners, and he's even earned endorsements from seasoned Wall Street veterans. One of them went so far as to praise his, quote, eerie knack for spotting big market stories. And, hey, just a quick reminder, if you want to make sure you don't miss the 1 p.m. Eastern start, you can opt in for text alerts. After you register, you'll receive instructions on how to access the event on the day itself. It's a good idea to arrive early, to test your setup and have your notes ready. Marshank's insights, well, they could really transform your investing game. Why could this event change your financial future? In a market where most people struggle just to achieve modest returns, Marshank's billionaire-proven tactics offer a roadmap to extraordinary wealth. As Dr. Eifrig warns, skeptics might find themselves looking in from the outside, while participants enjoy gains of 5 times, 10 times, or even 25 times. This isn't about short-term trades. Nope, it's about long-term, high-conviction investing that could secure your financial freedom. Don't miss out. Mark your calendar for October 29, 2025, and register now. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this hedge fund masterclass could be your ticket to market-beating success.